Good morning, traders. Welcome to this video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris and I'm back. I was away for a small break and holiday after 5 years. So it was about time. It was good, but now I'm all ready and going to take a look at the charts. So let's start right now. All right, so in the last 2 weeks, price has made a lower low, has broken below 110 and has actually reached all the way down to 109.25. From this point of view, I think that the downtrend is full in play. There was a substantial retracement up to the 144 EMA recently, and that had pretty good momentum. And if we look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that that could be 5 waves here to the upside. I don't think wave 3 is the shortest. Let's see if this is wave 2. It's about 69 pips. Wave 5 is about 68. So that's close. 67. That's close, but still, wave 3 the longest. And not the shortest there. Like wave 1 is actually the shortest. So yeah, that could be a 5 wave up. So far, price is moving sideways and choppily. This could be, for instance, some type of wave A, ABC for B, and a wave C. And price is responding to that level and moving up at this moment. If we put a fib from here to here, from bottom to top, then 38.2 fib, maybe 50 fib. All of that could be bouncing spots for around 110, basically, for a end of a wave B, this being wave A, and up for wave C. So that ABC correction could still be part of that downtrend, by the way. So if price breaks above this resistance trend line and breaks above the 21 EMA, then I think there could still be a chance of a pullback into the 21 EMA that should have a bullishly angled 21 EMA zone, and that could be a bouncing spot for more upside. Something like that could take place if there is a break. If price fails or if it breaks to the upside but then closes and reverses and breaks below the 21 EMA like that, rather than bouncing here, that's why that bounce is so important, then price could easily continue lower to the 50 or 61.8 fibs. And of course, if it then re-breaks below this bottom, then a downtrend is in play. I still think that ABC is slightly more likely, although the 144 EMA has acted as strong resistance before that. Take a look. Here, 1, 2, 3, even here, 4, 5, 6 times so far. So it could be enough that price moved up to that 144 EMA, and that could restart the downtrend. For the moment, considering this strong momentum and this flag, I think upside up to the -2 or -61.8 target is still more likely. Once it hit those levels, though, that's when I would expect the downtrend to continue. And I would expect bearish candlestick patterns and a bearish bounce in this zone and at these levels for follow through lower. All right. And if we take a look at the daily chart, there we go. Or maybe even the weekly better. Then basically a move up to about here, I think could be resistance zone, strong resistances on the left, a lot of price action in that zone actually at around 111. There we go. 112 as well. So I think that could be a bouncing spot for further downside to 108.50, 108, 107.50, and that downtrend could continue. We're getting continuous lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, excuse me, although very slowly, very choppily in this point. We're seeing a little bit of acceleration in this part. So if there is a pullback, I think there's a fair chance of continuation with the downtrend towards those levels. Now, of course, if price breaks above 112.50, that could change perspective. And I would reanalyze it again on Thursday with a new video. I don't expect that for the moment, but if it does, of course, that would change perspectives, and that could indicate maybe the end of the downtrend at this low. Who knows, right? But for the moment, anything below 112.50, I think is bearish. All right, that's about it, I guess, for the euro dollar. Pound dollar basically made a bear flag on the 4 hour chart, as you can see, after a strong downtrend. So we had downtrend flag, downtrend big flag, and a breakout and continuation. And it hit 120 as expected. I indicated that 120 could be the target and could be a next bouncing spot again. There was already a reaction here or close to it, 120.14 if I remember correctly. Now price hit the 120, actually went below it and went down to 119.55. But ultimately still bouncing at that 120 zone. That's why I said that 120 is too strong a level. It could easily be bounced or used for multiple bounces, for multiple attempts. And that's what happened here. The second attempt still used in a way that the entire zone still used as a bouncing level. And with strong momentum, same like the euro dollar, but maybe even more. It looks like a 5 waves up to me. Could be wave A. This is choppy and corrective. Could be wave B. I think one more upside for wave C, likely at this point. And well, price is already bouncing at the 23. That is very shallow. Typically, it should be the 38. Kind of went halfway in between those fibs. Not sure about that. In any case, I think that the ABC is likely at this moment, and a move up is the most reasonable or should be expected. I think it could also be that this is the wave 3 of a wave A. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. If that's the case, we can put the fib from here to here. That could be a 38.2 fib hit, so that's also possible, and that this could be basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, then ABC down of B, and then still up for C. In any case, an ABC up would take price either like this or like this, up to 125, 126, and that could be still a substantial move on the daily chart. Let's see where price, let's zoom out a little bit here on this daily. Yeah, basically where price could go back to the 144 EMA. It could be some type of wave 4, more aggressive wave 4, this being maybe wave 1, 2, 3, down to here, and this being a wave 4. That is possible when considering the strong push in this part right here. Right, so wave 4 could go deep, I guess. It's not that common, and such a strong ABC is certainly not usual for wave 4, but is still possible, and still could be a bouncing spot for a downtrend continuation. One thing I didn't mention on the EUR weekly candle is the bullish candle last week, so that can indicate some more upside first before downside on the EUR, and also on the pound dollar there was a bullish candle after 2 bullish candles already 3 and 4 weeks ago. That too makes maybe some upside more likely as well when we look at that particular wick at the bottom of last week, plus the bullish candle close. That too a pattern likely to see follow through, I think, this or next week. All right, that's it for now. More, of course, analysis and research and videos. You can find it all at elitecurrency.com, of course. And well, we'll see you very soon. I'm back again. So wish you all good trading this week and great days ahead. Cheers. Bye-bye.